Hello, guys. This is Trader C Brown here, and welcome to week 51. The year is ending pretty fast, and we are now in week 51. I want to welcome you. This is going to be beautiful. I just want to pay attention to this. We're going to be looking at the charts, as you can see, but before we do, I just want to explain a few things to you concerning this year, 2024, and possibly how to prepare yourself as well. We all know that trading is a great skill to learn. If you know how to trade, you will be on your way to financial freedom. I mean, for at least if you start pretty early and also focus your attention to it, you'll be able to get there. So the thing is, if you haven't learned the skill yet, I beg you, this is the moment to learn how to trade. If you really want to learn how to trade, of course, you're watching this video because you're interested in trading. So if you're watching this video and you have not honed down the skills, you haven't learned the skills for trading, I will encourage you to do so as quickly as possible, because 2024 is going to be one of those years, or one of the year that you will, if you haven't learned how to trade, you might be regretting that you didn't learn it. That's number one. Number two, the year is going to be a lot of difficulty will be in the year because of some things that is going to happen. Financially, people are going to be struggling. So if you don't want to be one of those who will struggle and have challenges times financially in 2024, this is the moment you want to learn this stuff. You want to get your hands around it. Okay. I just thought I should say that because things are not about to get cheap. Cost of living is not about to drop. No, it's not. So don't think it's about you. So you got to be ready. You got to be ready. So I just thought I should say that. Now, let's look at the chart. This is week 51, and we are on GBpUSD. So the first thing I want to talk about is what the market did throughout last week. We can see that there was a massive bullish momentum. Immediately, the market gave a consolidation. On Wednesday, the market started buying last week. Massive push up, massive push up to the upside. And for that purpose, we had a new structure, which is a new bullish momentum arriving or deriving itself from the 4-hour time frame. So let's go to the daily to analyze this. You can see on the daily, this highs has been taken out. So we see that a structure formed a new higher high that the market is giving us. So that means there is a change in the direction of the market for this December. So we could anticipate that the market is going to take out the liquidity here and here, up here, or even come up here. So in the nearest future, so there could be like price again once in a while after a long time coming into, first of all, 130 region of the psychological level before even moving to 132. Then if it breaks 130, we know that it's going to move up to 132 at that level. But at the moment, we can see that that's what price is intending to do, to take out liquidity at 128. So 128 is going to be blast or easily tap into already. So we can anticipate 130, 129 psychological level where liquidity will be taken out. But we can still recognize that 128 as a resistant level that the market will need to break before we can head up to the upper side. So this is exactly what 28, 28, 28. Let's put it great. This is exactly what the market is doing right now. So now we have price giving us rejection at 125 at the low. We see rejection here at 125 right there. Market rejected at 125. So we can see there was a clean play out from 125 to 128 without stopping, no hesitation. So it went up. and now he's pulling back like a retest, or what do you call a retracement on a lower time frame. Now remember, this is a daily picture, daily time frame picture. So if we look at this trend right here, we can see that it's now bullish. Market is bullish already, and you can see that there is a channel that the market has created, so it's bullish already. So, and we can anticipate price coming to, like I said, coming to 130 at that level. So what we want to see is price pulling back and then rejecting again. If it comes all the way here, potentially reject again and then start heading back up. But at the moment, we'll find out at the lower time frame. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame now to see what we're looking at. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the market has obviously moved to the higher side. So we're bullish, as we already established. There's a bullish momentum giving us a higher push up on to the upside. Which we can tell that the bullish is strong. Now, what we need to do is to watch out for a retracement. You see this swing high on the 4-hour to this swing low. What you want to do, which is aligning with that psychological level already, what you want to watch out for is a retracement here. So what that means is I'm predicting a trend line that will begin from here to this level. Okay, that's a trend line that may be established soon. It's not there yet, but I'm just foreseeing that. I'm just trying to let you know that analytically that could be possible, that price rally down and tap into the zone which we align with 61 retracement as full retracement of price, and then we'll have a rally up that will take out this high. This high first had to be taken out, and then probably bridge of a little, and then or price begin to rally back up again. So we might see a bridge of a little while price reject at that level, or it might even reject here. Who knows? Price may reject at this level and come back again before breaking it. There might be 3 touch of this resistance level before breaking above it. But already we have a liquidity created here, or there's a liquidity pool created. So the market could take it out by smashing to 27 minus 27 and pulling back down before rallying up. So I want to leave this as a structure in my mind that this is what I'm expecting. So what am I trading this week or this? Of course, I've stopped trading for the year. I've stopped trading for the year. But for those of you who still like to trade and want to take some trade, this is what you should be looking at. I'm done trading for the year. I'm going to resume trading next year by January 5th. We're going to be back strong and full force. Okay, so get ready, and you have opportunity now to prepare yourself. Don't start the year wondering what to do. By now, you should have planned what you want to do, how you want to go about it. So this is exactly what I'm looking at. A pull back into this level, price reject at that level, I'm going to buy. So I'm looking for a buy within these 3 levels of interest, looking for opportunity to buy from here. That's what I'm looking at. Those areas will be a potential interest zone for me to look for a buy to the upside, and that's exactly what I'm looking for on GU. So I hope you guys got it, and if peradventure you want to trade this pair, ensure you wait for this setup to play out. So all I'm looking for, price reaction. If immediately price start reacting at this level and it will start seeing a pullback, it's very simple. Once start seeing a pullback like this, I'm waiting for price to do a retest, and then I'll continue to buy. So what that means is if a price start buying, I will wait for it to show that it's presently going to buy. So maybe it might push up a little and break out and then do a sort of a pullback, and then I'll get in. So with that, I'll be able to catch this liquidity pool that the market want to target. So this is exactly what I'm looking at on GU this week 51. So let's look at Euro USD. For those of you that trade Euro USD, let's look at what it looks like. Now, this is Euro USD right here. Now, on Euro USD, as we can see, is bullish just as GU is. G is obviously bullish. As you can see, the market has moved higher. You can see a strong momentum to the upside. So again, almost the same thing that we see on Euro US on GU that we're seeing on Euro USD as well. But the only thing is there is still indecisions around this level. We can see that the market created rejection at 1.1 there, 1.10,000. Okay, so we have that price action at that level giving us a double top. So that could be a retracement, a pullback, strong pullback, or the market could rally down to this low where you have 1.075 at this level. So again, that is potentially possible for the market to come to that low before rallying up, because it didn't break this high. You see, this push up did not break this high, rather create like a form of let's see, a lower high, I think, or equal high. That's equal high right there. So the market gave us an equal high at that level, which is double top. So that is a questionable movement on Euro USD. So what I would do on the daily is to put a trend line here for the, which is the daily trend line. Okay, so we'll leave that there, and then we'll move to the 4-hour time frame to look at the behavior that we may be seeing that could reflect a change. So first of all, we have this rally. If you turn the line chart on, you can see this rally from this bottom where you have this double bottom here, the market rally up. So that's where we should be looking at. Of course, this is an order block that leads to that rally. We have a secondary order block as well, but that is not a factor to which we can be predicting the retracement of this candle. So what we need to do is to measure again, like we did on GU, measure this level, and then wait for price to come to this box area where we can be anticipating, which is a possible buy opportunity for us, this level at the moment. So it's already broke this 38, so it's heading towards 50, and it could be around that 50 that it might want to bounce off or tap into that region there, and then it can't become, you know, just go up. But at the moment, we can still, again, like we did on GU, we can anticipate another trend line at that level. Price may come into this level, tap into this level, and then before rallying up, we could anticipate that price could do that, or price may come up, push up here and rejects and creates a low. When this happens, knowing that it's heading down, that means a change of character. This will now become a lower high at that level. So you get out of the trade as quickly as possible and then anticipate that price is going to drop to the downside. But if that doesn't happen, so what you will do is just to trade it like the way you would trade GU. Price coming here, bounce off, and then we're going to buy, so that they can be able to take out the liquidity at this high as well. But at the moment, what we can see overall is a bullish rally of Euro USD to the upside. Is a bullish rally. You see, if you can see that what price it was an equal high. So we are not still sure yet if it's a change of character to the downside, because it's still a bullish momentum as far as we can see. So GU is still very bullish, and it's a beautiful opportunity for GU and Euro USD. Now, British pounds, US dollars, and Euro US dollars is actually a bullish market. So if you're looking for opportunity to trade this week 51, this is the area you're going to be looking at. Again, remember there's potential target to the upside, which is around 11000, which is this level here where price will eventually rally to and even break before continuing whichever direction it wants to go. So you want to pay attention to, if you can just catch this one move for the week, that is it. You made it for the week. That's it. That's all you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can make 3% on this, 2% on this, that's enough for the week, because it's December, guys. It's festive period. Is a lot of things are going on. People are looking at not trading at all. So you better just if you can stay away, stay away. If you cannot, trade wisely. That's all I tell you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to wish every one of you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from next week. We're going to be celebrating and having a beautiful time, but remember that all that you do, remember that you have someone watching over you and looking over you who already plan your days on this planet Earth. And that is the one, is the reason why we're celebrating. He is the one that is the reason for the season. You get it? So, and that is what you need to focus on. Focus on the reason for the season and reflect on your personal lives. I'll see you guys again next year, which is on week one, week number 1 of 2024. Until then, have a beautiful, beautiful trading week. And I'll see you guys. Bye for now. Bye.